Over 90% of drivers are bleeding money every single month on car care. They could handle themselves in under 10 minutes. Detail shops and mechanics are quietly banking thousands off problems that cost less than a cup of coffee to fix at home. One of these tricks alone stops the exact repairs they love charging for on repeat. Before you hand over another dollar, here are 15 car hacks almost nobody talks about that can save you thousands. Hack number 15, baking soda tire whitening. Your sidewalls look brown, tired, and permanently stained no matter how hard you scrub. Shops will happily charge 40 to 80 bucks to make them black again. Grab a box of baking soda, mix it with a little dish soap and water into a thick paste, and work it into the rubber with an old toothbrush using firm circles. Let it sit 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. The mild abrasive action lifts brake dust, road film, and that oxidized layer without chewing up the rubber. Your tires come out deep black and ready for dressing that now sticks twice as long. $1 box cleans every set of tires you own for months. The brown you hate isn't just dirt. Hack number 14, Vaseline tail light restoration. Foggy yellowed tail lights that look like they've been through a sandstorm and barely light up at night. Safety risk and ugly. Take plain petroleum jelly, rub a thin layer over the entire lens with your fingers or a soft cloth, let it sit a couple minutes, then buff clean with microfiber. The jelly fills the microscopic oxidation pits and restores clarity and color depth right away. Lights look sharper, red pops again, and nighttime visibility improves. A $4 jar handles every lens on the car for years. Hack number 13, vegetable oil trim restoration. Black plastic around the windows, doors, and bumpers has gone gray, chalky, and lifeless. Put a few drops of plain vegetable oil on a soft cloth and work it into the faded trim with even strokes. Let it soak 2 to 3 minutes, then wipe off the excess. The oil sinks into the dried out plastic and brings back that deep factory black and soft sheen. One kitchen bottle covers the entire car. Plastic trim fades because UV and washing pull the original oils out of the material. Restoration products simply put oils back in. Hack number 12, potato windshield fog prevention. Inside glass fogs, the second humidity or cold hits and you spend half your drive wiping. Cut a raw potato in half and rub the cut side firmly over the entire inside of the windshield. Let it dry a minute, then buff with microfiber. The natural starches leave an invisible film that stops moisture from condensing. Glass stays clear in rain, cold, or heavy humidity. One 50-cent potato treats every window multiple times. Anti-fog sprays work on the exact same hydrophilic principle. Hack number 11, WD-40 gas cap corrosion fix. Gas cap is stiff, gritty, and getting harder to turn every fill-up. Spray a light shot of WD-40 on the threads and inside the filler neck, twist the cap back and forth several times, then wipe the excess. The solvent cuts through rust and grime while leaving a protective film. Cap spins smooth again, seals tight, and the corrosion stops spreading. $5 can last dozens of treatments. Stiff gas caps are almost always surface corrosion, not ruined threads. Shops default to replacement because it's quick revenue. Hack number 10, wet umbrella storage feature. Tossing a dripping umbrella on the seat or floor is how mold, mildew, and that permanent musty smell take over. Almost every modern car already has a built-in wet umbrella slot. Check the lower driver's door panel or along the front seat tracks. Most makers include a narrow fabric channel or hook designed exactly for a folded wet umbrella so water drips away from the upholstery. Use it and your interior stays dry and odor-free with zero extra products. This feature came with the car, you already paid for it. Moisture under the seats can also corrode seat motors and wiring, jobs that run $200 to $600. One overlooked factory feature prevents the whole mess. Hack number 9, Vaseline door hinge squeak fix. Doors squeak and groan every time they open or close, and it's getting louder. Wipe plain petroleum jelly onto the top and bottom hinge pins, work it into the pivot points, open and close the door several times, then wipe the excess. Friction disappears instantly and the hinges get a protective coating against rust. $4 jar lubricates every door for years. Most hinge noise is just dry metal, not failed parts. Mechanics push replacement because a 2-minute lube doesn't pay much. Hack number 8, coffee filter dashboard dusting. Dashboard dust returns within hours and regular cloths just smear it or leave lint. Grab a dry paper coffee filter and wipe the entire dash. The material is lint-free and carries a slight static charge that grabs and holds dust instead of scattering it. Surfaces come out clean and stay cleaner longer. $3 pack gives you hundreds of cleanings. Hack number 7, aluminum foil exhaust cleaning. Exhaust tips are black and caked with carbon so the rear of the car looks filthy. Crumple a sheet of aluminum foil, dampen it or add a light spray of WD-40 and scrub the tips inside and out with firm circles. The aluminum reacts with the carbon and oxidation while the texture polishes the metal underneath. Tips come out bright and clean. Foil costs almost nothing and one sheet does multiple cleanings. The chemistry is the same one behind expensive metal polishes. The same foil method also cleans chrome bumpers. Hack number 6, wax headlight UV protection. Headlights are starting to yellow and haze, and you can watch it get worse every few months. After a good cleaning, apply a thin coat of regular car wax or paste wax to the lenses and buff it off just like paint. The wax lays down a UV barrier that dramatically slows oxidation. Do this every few months and severe yellowing never develops. $8 can protect every clear plastic surface for a long time. Headlight clouding is pure UV damage. Restoration only removes the damaged layer. Hack number 5, dryer sheet bug splatter removal. Front bumper hood and glass are covered in baked-on bug guts that regular soap won't touch without aggressive scrubbing that risks scratches. Dampen a fabric dryer sheet and wipe directly over the dried splatters. The texture plus the fabric softeners break down the proteins and lift the mess clean without scratching. A $5 box handles dozens of cleanings. Bug residue is acidic and starts etching clear coat the longer it sits. Dryer sheets remove it fast. They also cut static that attracts dust and pollen. Hack number 4, paintbrush AC vent cleaning. Vents are packed with dust that blows straight into your face every time the air comes on. Nothing you own fits between the slats. Grab a cheap foam or soft artist brush. The thin profile slides right between the fins. Gently brush the dust out from inside toward the outside, then vacuum up the loose debris. Airflow improves and the dust stops flying. $2 brush lasts the life of the car. Pros use the exact same method and charge premium rates for it. Clean vents also let the blower motor work with less strain. Hack number 3, oven cleaner rim restoration. Alloy or chrome rims are stained brown and black with baked-on brake dust that regular wheel cleaners can't touch. Spray standard oven cleaner on the rims, let it sit 5 to 10 minutes, scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly. The alkaline formula dissolves the same compounds that make brake dust so stubborn. Rims come out clean and the metal looks restored. $4 can cleans all 4 wheels multiple times. Specialty wheel cleaners are often the same chemistry with a higher price and different label. After cleaning, a thin coat of wax on the rims creates a barrier so future dust doesn't bond as hard. Detailers charge per wheel because the labor feels justified when you don't know a kitchen product does the job. Hack number 2, floor mat retention clip feature. Floor mats keep sliding forward and bunching under the pedals, a real safety risk. Your car almost certainly already has retention hooks or posts built into the carpet on the driver's side. Look for small plastic anchors under where the mat sits. Your mat has matching grommets or slots that lock onto those posts. Line them up, press down, and the mat stays locked no matter how hard you brake. This system is free because it came with the car. Unsecured mats have caused accidents by jamming pedals. It's a federal safety requirement on modern vehicles, yet dealers and shops rarely mention it because showing you ends the sale of compatible replacement mats. Hack number 1, WD-40 throttle body cleaning. Rough idle, hesitation on acceleration, and a sluggish feel when you press the gas. Shops diagnose a dirty throttle body and quote 80 to 150 for a professional clean. With the engine off, locate the throttle body, the round housing between the air filter and engine. Spray WD-40 on a cloth or soft brush and carefully clean the bore and the throttle plate, removing the black carbon and varnish. For heavier buildup, a light direct spray and gentle brushing works, then wipe clean and let it air out before starting. Airflow smooths out, idle stabilizes, and throttle response snaps back. $5 can handles multiple cleanings. Throttle body cleaners sold at parts stores are petroleum solvents, same basic chemistry, higher price. A clean throttle body also helps fuel efficiency and emissions. 10 minutes and $5 just replaced a service call that shops love to upsell. How many of these car hacks did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you the most. If this video just saved you hundreds, hit subscribe for more no-nonsense car tips that cut through the upsells. Your car and your wallet will thank you. There are even more secret moves that keep a vehicle looking and running like new. Click the next video and keep the momentum going.